Hey there, Robert Murray here, and in this video I want to show you how to build a bonus delivery page inside of GroovePages that you can then use and add to Groove Affiliate. So when someone registers for either a free account or a paid account, that automatically then the bonuses get delivered to them by that URL. And also, if you hold on for a moment, I'm going to give you access to $2,000 worth of my free bonuses. And when you register for a free account, you'll see this in action because the bonuses will get delivered automatically. So cue the intro. Okay, so I have come into my Groove account and all I've done is come into GroovePages or GrooveFunnels and I've selected my launch upgrade bonuses, and you can see, if I drag this across, this is just the page here, so you can see we've got a countdown timer to show how long the upgrade is available, the lifetime access, little video here explaining what they're going to get, and you can see all the bonuses here. So what I'm doing now is I'm building out, if I go back into here, I'm building out an upgrade bonus delivery. I've added additional bonuses, so I wanted to modify it. And you can see here, this is a page where they're going to go to after they've purchased. This will be the link. So when I grab this link here, this will be the link that I'll paste in Groove Affiliate, which I'll show in a moment. And as you can see, step one, access your bonuses here. And again, I'm going to add all of these bonuses one by one. You can see them all down here. But on top of that, what I've just been building is this, I give away the Surefire Attraction email templates. I should change it to campaigns because they are campaigns, but I wanted to add that separately as well so that when people go to that part there, you can see here they've got Ascension campaigns and they can go and download each one of these. If I open this up, so you can see we're just separating these downloads with a little bit in the middle here. You can see engagement, and each one of these we've uploaded into Groove Member. Inside of Groove you've got everything you need, so you can see each one of these campaigns, we're uploading the file, calling it whatever the file is called, and then we can grab the URL and then we can add that to the download button. So if I show you here, and I may be going a bit too quick for you, but that's fine, you can slow this down. So for example, if someone wants the engagement "Are you still, have you yet" campaign, they go to here, click the button, it'll open a new window. And that's the great thing about the new files inside a Groove Member. It comes up like this, looks really professional, and they click download, they select what folder to download it into, and away they go, they've got that document. So what I'll do is, as you can see down here, I'm onto the engagement section. I think I've just finished this section here. So the very first thing I did was made sure that the spacing and everything in this one column here was as I wanted it to look like, and etc. And then I added a 3-column row here and I just cloned this container. So you can see they're all symmetrical, they're all got the right layout. So all I need to do now when I come here, because I'm adding additional campaigns, is clone that, and you'll see it'll appear below. And then obviously I've got to change the numbers here. So it'll be 19, 20 and 21. And then again, I'm just going to show you here. So now I'm going to upload this next document. I'm going to click upload. I've got the name of that campaign. I'm going to go into the folder I've just downloaded. You can see it there, lead magnet welcome email. Upload the file. And all I need to do now is just change 2 things here. I'm going to add the name of the campaign there, and then I'm going to click into that. And I'm just going to go and grab, and all I need to do is click copy URL. The button's already selected, so now just come down here and paste that in and click update. and publish. And it's the same thing with the main delivery page. All I'm doing is I'm sending them over here because I know I've got 50 plus email campaigns. There's no point in me putting them all on here, but you can see I've added some of the other bonuses that they can download, and they just click the button there to download those. We've got some other things down here if they want any help from us, etc. But yes, very, very simple. And then all you need to do, this is my delivery page now, is copy that. I'm going to come over here to Groove Affiliate, click on promos, click on bonuses, and then you're going to click new bonus. So I'm going to call this upgrade Groove bonus, wrong way around, but bonuses. I'm going to add the link that's now in my clipboard so you can see that upgrade bonus delivery, and click create. And if I come into here to promotions and links, I can open this up here and you can see lifetime upgrade. And then I'm just going to go down here and select upgrade bonuses, and the same here. So whatever option they choose, they're going to get access to my bonus delivery page, and click save. And you probably are going to need to do that in a few different places because there's a few different, that one doesn't look like it's loading, but there is the lifetime upgrade one there as well. So I'm just going to do the same thing, upgrade bonuses, upgrade bonuses. You get the gist. So if you are watching this and you've come to my upgrade.robsgroovepagesbonuses.com and the countdown is still available, you can still get the lifetime, which is $1,997. You just click this button here and go through to the upgrade page. And if you aren't ready to upgrade yet, then grab your free account and also my $2,000 worth of free bonuses. The link will be popping up on the screen. It'll be down in the description. Do the usual, subscribe, click the notifications so you get all of my upcoming videos, and also make a comment. Tell me what other help you need with your free Groove account or your upgraded Groove account. And there'll also be some other videos popping up around me, so go and watch those, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.